Have you ever wondered why your garden tools don't last as long as they should? Today, we're delving into the world of garden tool maintenance and the crucial steps to prolong their lifespan. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to extend the life of your garden tools. The first step to maintaining your garden tools is cleaning. It's all about getting rid of the grime and rust. Start with a stiff brush to sweep away the dirt. For stubborn rust, a wire brush or sandpaper will do the trick. Next comes a thorough wash with soapy water. Be sure to rinse well to avoid soap residue. Lastly, it's crucial to dry your tools properly to prevent rusting. You can use a clean cloth or let them air dry in the sun. Remember, a clean tool is a long-lasting tool. After cleaning, it's time to sharpen your tools. A sharp tool is a gardener's best friend, ensuring efficient, clean cuts that promote healthy plant growth. Whether it's a pair of secateurs or a sturdy spade, all can benefit from a little honing. Utilize a file or sharpening stone, moving it in one direction along the edge of the tool. Remember, safety first. Always keep your fingers away from the blade. Sharp tools not only make your work easier, but also prevent damage to your plants. Finally, let's talk about proper storage of your garden tools. It's vital to keep your tools in a dry, protected place. This keeps them safe from the elements, avoiding rust and other damage. There are numerous options available to you. Consider using tool racks, which provide easy access and help maintain order. Alternatively, a garden shed offers a larger storage space and additional protection. Remember, proper storage prevents rust and keeps your tools ready for the next gardening session. And that's it. Simple steps to extend the life of your garden tools. Remember, regular cleaning, sharpening, and proper storage will ensure they're always ready to aid in your gardening endeavors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.